How to fix MetaTrader 5 not working properly. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. For that, you can launch your settings. Now navigate to the option of Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network. Give a fresh restart to your router. Rejoin it. Likewise, you can switch your network. If you are using cellular data, switch it to Wi-Fi. In the case you are using Wi-Fi, switch it to cellular data. By this, your problem might be fixed. Heading towards next solution, check updates for the MetaTrader 5 app. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store. At the very top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in the app name MetaTrader 5 and search for it. After app appears, at the right corner of the app, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once you update the app, your problem might be fixed. Heading towards next solution, close this, launch your settings, scroll down, navigate to the option of General. Now head towards the option of iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete the unused apps. Likewise, scroll down and find the app MetaTrader 5. Once you find it, open it. Now click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Once you reinstall the app, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the solution doesn't work for you, if you still encounter the issue, what you can do is completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. To do that, click on Delete app. Click on Delete app. With that, you just deleted this app from your device. Now you can close this, launch your App Store, search for the app and install it. By following these solutions, your problem will be fixed. Well, this way you can easily fix MetaTrader 5 not working properly. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.